You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this expression that you may see quite a lot in text messages and chats, and it's a slang term essentially. There are different ways of pronouncing it. The most common way of referring to it is as Sybau. Yes, the second letter, the Y, is for your. Okay, so your. It starts with an E, right? So Sybau. But some say it as Sybau, or others Sybau or Sybau. How do you pronounce it yourself? That'd be fascinating to know. Sybau, Sybau, Sibu, Sebo, Sebo. Let us know. In Korean, Sybau. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.